how to record your screen while you are on TikTok live. So here in this video I'm gonna show you how can you do that. So in order to record your screen on TikTok live, you need an application Streamlabs, which can easily be found in your Google Play Store. So after installing in your device, open the app. After opening the app, make sure to enable the microphone and camera. After that, in the bottom corner you can see the go live option. Tap on that. So here you can see there is a Facebook, TikTok, Trovo and other many applications from where you can go live. So you can select whichever option you want. Here we are tapping on the TikTok login option. After that, you can log into your TikTok account, and also if you have the TikTok app, then you can directly open it into your TikTok app, and from here you can record your TikTok live. So I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more updating tutorial videos like this. If you need any tutorial videos on any topics, don't forget to comment down below and let us know. Thank you for watching till the end.